Every year, universities battle for global prestige, top-tier research funding, and the brightest students. And all of that leverage depends entirely on their annual rankings. But there is a major structural flaw in how most institutions approach these standings. They treat them like a report card, looking strictly backward at what has already happened. By the time a university officially slips down the list, the damage is already done. Years of stalled research and missed opportunities have quietly passed them by. To fix this latency problem, the AD Scientific Index developed the Past and Near Future Simulation module. This tool takes 5 full years of historical performance data and runs it through forward-looking algorithms to project exactly where an institution will sit years from now. Instead of waiting for bad news and scrambling to do damage control, university leaders get the foresight they need to reposition themselves proactively. We can see how this works in practice by placing 2 very different university trajectories side by side. First, let's look at a major success story, Tsinghua University in China. This dashboard measures Tsinghua standing across H-index, I-10 index, and citations. Blue represents their 2024 rank. Light blue and orange project 2025 and 2026. Since smaller numbers mean stronger global positions, their recent citations show a clear climb, from rank 29 to 22 by 2026. Those tightening, descending numbers are the direct proof of a highly successful institutional plan unfolding in real time. Now, let's contrast that with an anonymized university in Turkey, heading in the opposite direction. Judging this institution on the same scientific indices, the visual difference is obvious. The projected bars step upward. Isolating their recent H-index, their baseline rank of 553 balloons to 657 by 2026. This gap represents an academic freefall, losing over 100 positions. Without this forward-looking simulation, the leadership at this university would be completely blind to this impending crisis until it actually hit them in 2026. The entire purpose of mapping these trajectories is to ensure that a projected failure serves as a warning rather than an unavoidable destiny. When we look at the widening gap between an institution that adapts and one that stagnates, the need for immediate intervention becomes obvious. A declining university can look at the specific metrics causing their drop and execute targeted, structural overhauls to correct their course. They can use strategic researcher transfer tools to identify and inject high-performing academics directly into failing departments, reversing the decline before it accelerates. On the flip side, rising institutions use this exact same data to confidently secure long-term funding and double down on the methodologies that are already working. In modern academia, anticipating your decline is the only reliable way to prevent it, and predicting your rise is the best way to secure it.